TubeKit is a website that allows you to turn your YouTube videos into AI tools. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. And TubeKit is actually a page on the Productize Your Mind website. To clarify, I'm going to paste in this link, which is about how to use Claude Cowork. I believe it's by a popular AI creator. He does quite a lot of stuff in the space. I believe his name is, I can't exactly remember his name. In fact, I'll just open up the link here and we should be able to see. Yeah, so this is what the video is. New Claude Cowork projects explained in 9 minutes. So we're going to see exactly what TubeKit does for us here. And yeah, I'm keen to know what sort of AI tools it's going to recommend. So I'm just going to come back once this is done. Apparently it takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, great. So now that's done, I can confirm it did take about 30 to 60 seconds. I'm going to see what tools it's suggesting here for us. So we've got this first one, which is AI Project Context Architect. Okay, so mastering AI productivity, Claude Cowork's project feature. So guides users step by step to define the optimal context for a new AI project, including objectives. Okay, interesting. So apparently I can generate this tool. We've also got a personalized scheduled task builder, interesting, and an AI learning and memory creator. I think I'm going to click generate tool on this one and see exactly what we get. Really keen to see what this is going to give us, because I don't know exactly what the tool is going to look like. Whenever I think of tools, of course, I always break things down into clear step-by-step workflows, because of course tools are essentially the backbone of workflows, what makes them work. And I'm interested in essentially what the inputs are, what the processes are, and what the outputs would be. And this is for every tool and every workflow. Okay, great. So it seems as if we've got this sort of built here. Let's say the project is conducting research for YouTube channel that demos the best new AI tools. Okay, great. So brief project description. Okay, cool. Seems like we can actually voice prompt this as well. I'm going to do just that. Okay. Let's see, is this voice input working? Okay, it looks like there's an error there. That's a note for the team. I'm going to use my built-in dictation. So this project allows users to conduct research on recent releases in the AI space, specifically with regards to consumer AI tools and how they can be used either for research, communications, or automation. Cool, great stuff. So I'm just going to say, let's get rid of my Claude there. So this project allows, users to conduct research on the recent releases in the AI space, specifically regarding consumer AI tools. So a clear list of tools that can be showcased and demoed and demonstrated, let's say, in YouTube videos. Cool. So this could be something for me that I use internally in order to actually make sure I'm getting a nice stream of AI tools. And of course, if you are building something, or if there's a tool you'd like me to showcase up on here, then feel free to just comment it below or send me a message. I always look at all of the comments, and yeah, would be happy to take a look. So we've got the project foundation here, and that's everything I filled out. We've got the strategy development taking place. Okay, cool. So this analysis outlines the strategy, strategic objective, defining the what, and knowledge gap analysis. Okay, interesting stuff. Now it seems like we're waiting for another step to complete. Now we've got the contextual asset rules, so I can submit this now. Any sort of relevant files, special in structures. So I'll just say be clear and concise. Here I'll just put not applicable in this case. Initial custom memory, so you can even list any custom memories as well. No emojis, no M dashes, and let's say UK English. Cool. Now I'm going to click continue and see. Okay, cool. So now that's all been done. We can see.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Exactly the final project blueprint. So we've got the project overview, the knowledge base, which are files to upload, system instructions, always a big fan of adding those to my prompt bank or prompt library, and some custom memories. Cool. So I have to say this is quite impressive. If you think it would be useful for you, definitely check it out. And yeah, you can also save this tool to your MindPal account, which is the main provider of this tool itself. So definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you.